Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Which of the following is the equation of the tangent line to f of x equals x squared plus 3x at x equals 1? Now let us work through the solution step by step. First, we plug x equals 1 into the function to find the y-coordinate of the point where the tangent line will touch the curve. 1 squared plus 3 times 1 equals 4. So the point of tangency is the ordered pair 1, 4. Next, we differentiate the function to find a general expression for the slope. Using the power rule on each term, the derivative of x squared is 2x, and the derivative of 3x is 3. So f prime of x equals 2x plus 3. Now we substitute x equals 1 into the derivative. 2 times 1 plus 3 equals 5. So the slope of the tangent line at x equals 1 is 5. We plug the slope and the point into the point-slope form of a line. Y minus 4 equals 5 times the quantity x minus 1. Distributing and simplifying, we get y equals 5x minus 1. That is the equation of the tangent line. Here we can see the tangent line y equals 5x minus 1 plotted on the coordinate plane. It crosses the y-axis at -1 and passes through the point 1, 4, where it just grazes the parabola. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.